Hello, and welcome to NAME's 3 Days Weather Forecast. I'm Olubi Adedamola. What an eventful weekend we had of weather activities across the north to the south of the country. But in the course of the week, we expect the southwestern part of the country to get some respite from rainfall as a result of some subtropical high pressure systems that often erodes the midsummer drought over that area. But for our update of Monday's forecast, we still anticipate some thunderstorms over parts of Kano into parts of Sokoto in the northwest of the country, while there are also some chances of thunderstorms over parts of Yola into parts of Bauchi and Gombe, from parts of Plateau and Kaduna, and also some parts of Niger. But we expect some chances of light rainfall, albeit intermittent, over part of the southwest and the southeast inland and their coastal areas. We expect temperatures to start to reduce a bit over the north of the country, as most areas in the northwest are likely to report a drop in temperature to about 30 degrees Celsius over part of Guzo and 32 over part of Sokoto. We expect part of Yobe and Maiduguri to report temperature around 35 degrees Celsius. The FCT and environment will have temperature range within 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, while we expect the southwest to have temperature around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius over Lagos and environs, while those in the southeast will also have temperatures ranging within 29 and 31 degrees Celsius. We welcome Tuesday with some level of stability over the northwestern part of the country, but there are chances of some lingering overnight thunderstorms over part of Taraba in the northeastern area. We expect other areas in the country to expect some fine weather in mostly cloudy conditions. But by afternoon, there are chances of thunderstorms over part of Adamawa into parts of Bauchi and also parts of Kaduna and Plateau. Some part of the FCT and also some parts of Niger are also likely to experience some thunderstorms before the end of Thursday. Over the southeast inland and their coastal areas, we look forward to some intermittent rain showers in a couple of places around Oka, Enugu, part of Onitsha, Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, in the south and the southeast coast, respectively. Temperatures are likely to reach a high of about 34 degrees Celsius over Borno and Yobe, while parts of Katsina and parts of Sokoto will report temperature around 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. We expect temperature over the FCT to rise to 31 degrees Celsius, while that of Nasarawa will be around 33 degrees Celsius. The south will also have some marginal increment in temperature over the southwest, where we should expect temperature around 30 to 31 degrees Celsius. The southeast will have temperature around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius over most areas in the southeast coast of Port Harcourt and Eket. Wednesday is likely to start with some thunderstorms over part of the northeast of Maiduguri into Yobe and part of Duse and Kano as well. We expect other areas in the country to experience mostly cloudy conditions from the central to the south of the country. However, we expect some buildup of activities in the afternoon over part of the northeast and northwest, where we are likely to have some thunderstorms over part of Bauchi, part of Kano, Katsina, part of Kaduna, part of the AFCT and Lafia, and also part of Zamfara and Kebbi in the northwestern zone. The southern areas are also likely to see some light rainfall over part of the southeast coast and some few areas over part of the inland of the southwest. We expect temperatures over the northeast to drop to 33 degrees Celsius over part of Maiduguri, while we expect static temperature values of 36 degrees Celsius over part of Katsina, while Guzo should report temperature around 32 degrees Celsius. We expect the FCT to still maintain a temperature of 31 degrees Celsius, while the southwestern areas will also have temperatures around 31 to 33 degrees Celsius over part of Lagos, Ijebu-Ode, and also part of Ibadan. The southeast will also have temperature around 30 degrees Celsius over part of Yenagoa, and we have temperature around 28 degrees Celsius over part of Owerri and Asaba in the Niger Delta and southeast inland areas, respectively. And that's where we'll leave you for this edition of our 3 days weather forecast. In the next couple of days, we'll bring you updates. I'm Olubi Adedamola, and thank you for watching.